Hey guys, welcome to another edition of On the Projects Agro Construction and Industrial Products. Today, our feature item is a circular saw. Our brand is Makita. The Makita circular saw can be used for both professional construction projects and DIY home improvement. This power tool uses a round metal blade edge with sharp teeth to cut an array of materials such as wood, metal, cement block, brick, fiberglass, plastic, and slate. The Makita saw we carry is a 220 volt. You can pay us a visit at our current branch or when the rentals are sale. Or you can contact us at 450-7247 or 714-7368.